how to buy air fryer token. So this token came under the symbol of fryer. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is referral codes down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use code below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So before going on buy this token, make sure to check the next account and keep following their updates about this token. Now, as you can see, this token is available on the screener. This token, as you can see here, guys, it created 19 hours ago and increased by 800% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 88%. That means your investment in the safe place. To be able to buy this token is easy and simple. Just copy the token address from here. This token address is under the Solana network. Now open your funds wallet for that. I will log into my wallet first. So click on swap and make sure you have enough Solana in your wallet. Click here and paste the token address. So as you can see, this is our token. Click on it. Just type how much you want to buy. So as you can see here, we'll be able to see how much you receive. Now after that, select the provider, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here and click on swap, and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face any issue, go back to this page and switch the slippage from here, nor custom made, because the most of the issues came from the slippage, as you know. And after that, you can be able to buy this token without any issues. So this is how to buy Fryer token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.